like in the middle of nowhere. The last time nag-Macau ako was like 12 years ago. Sobrang luwag, sobrang comfy. Yung first impression, sobrang linis and bago. And then, ano lang pala yung pamasahe. For some reason, 60 Hong Kong dollars lang. I'm rising again through every fight. Breaking the chains, chasing the light. Hello, welcome to my Hong Kong vlog. Yun lang, intro. So, today, I am excited. It's early in the morning, around 2 in the morning. Pero I'm excited because I get to ride a new airline. And this is the Greater Bay Air, I think. Basta this is a Hong Kong-based airline. Bago-bago lang siya. It was only launched last November. It's a budget economy airline, very brand new. So I'm excited to try. You know, as an aviation geek, I like planes, no? Regardless if economy or business, I like planes. It's early in the morning, busy yung airport. So, it's Greater Bay Airlines pala. Basta yun. And the ticket is so cheap. It's only around 7,500 pesos pag maaga kayo magbubook. Kasama na yung travel tax with 20 kilograms luggage. Ako, last minute booking, so I got it for 9,500 pesos ata. Usually ride...
Airlines like HB232 bound for Hong Kong is now inviting all remaining passengers to board the aircraft now.
Remaining na?
113. Thank you.
Last call na, remaining na. Sabi 2:45, 2:30 pa lang galing ako sa lounge. Ako pala yung last na magbo-board. Ano kasi yung sinasabi ko? So usually Cebu Pacific ako, di ba? Pagka AFA, pero wala lang. Gusto ko lang matry. Sobrang luwag, sobrang comfy. Yung first impression, sobrang linis and bago. Just arrived in Hong Kong. I need to transfer to Macau. So, hindi na ako lalabas ng Hong Kong immigration because diretso na ako sa Macau. And to transfer to Macau, hindi mo kailangan dumaan ng immigration. So, merong ibang way. Bibigay mo lang yung bag tag mo if meron ka check-in luggage. And then, kukunin nila for you. Tapos, hindi ko alam kung merong boat ng ganitong time. Kung wala, magbabas ako going to Macau. Then, dun muna ako before yung conference ko sa Hong Kong this week. So, nag-immigration lang din ako kasi yung direct bus before the immigration, yung hindi ka na sana lalabas, 8:30 AM pa. 6 AM pa lang. So, nawala-wala pa ako. So, hinanap ko lang yung bus stop na B4. Tapos, dadalhin nata ako sa Hong Kong port. Itong bus na to. Just make sure na meron kayong cash. Hindi sila tumatanggap ng card or hindi sila nag-change. So, akala ko nga wala akong 10 Hong Kong dollars. Buti meron. Kasi 9.8 siya. Yung una ko binigay 100 Hong Kong dollars. Wala daw sok niya yun. Tapos hindi sila tumatanggap ng card. So, dapat sakto yung pera nyo. If dadiretso kayo ng Macau, tapos hindi kayo dadaan sa loob ng airport. And so, ganun din. Nasa commute ako na papuntang Macau. Walang tulog. So, finally got my ticket. Tapos na-clear ko na rin yung immigration. And Nakita ko na rin tong bus stop. So, yung bus, hindi siya directly from the airport since 8:30 pa siya nag-open. Maaga kayo, you have to ride the shuttle going here. And then, ano lang pala yung pamasahe. For some reason, 60 Hong Kong dollars lang yung pamasahe. So, kayo na lang pag-convert, maybe that's around 350 pesos, something like that. So, dati alam ko parang 1,000 plus siya. I don't know why it's cheaper now. So, this is me walking to the bus. And inabutan na ako ng araw. Yan ata yung bus, yung yellow. I'm tired na, wala pa akong tulog. Now here sa port and parang 30 minutes lang ata. I don't know kasi maaga ata so walang traffic. And it's like in the middle of nowhere. The last time nag-Macau ako was like 12 years ago. And ang naaalala ko is, hindi port yun eh. Boat yun eh. So pagbaba ko yun na yun. Nasa city center na ako. Ito parang middle of nowhere. Teka may immigration ata. Cleared immigration again. So, kung nagsa-stamp lang si Hong Kong tsaka si Macau, nakatatlong stamp na ako today. Yung entry stamp ko sa Hong Kong and then yung entry stamp ko dito sa Macau. Kaya lang hindi na sila nagsa-stamp. Maganda pa naman stamp ni Hong Kong dati yung parang flower ata yun. Pero wala na. Ewan ko kung ba't tiyatanggal yung mga passport stamp. Yun pa naman talaga yung collection na gustong gusto ko before. Now, I'm going to the hotel and tignan natin kung maka-check-in ako ng maaga. It's now 7:30 in the morning. Ang pangit pala ng arrival time ko, wala pang mga hotel buses or hotel shuttle na usually. So I have to commute to the city. I have to take bus 101X. So kanina pa tayo pasalin-salin. But yeah, this is the life of a traveler. As a seasoned traveler naman, sanay naman na ako mag-commute. I've been traveling for 15 years now. Mostly solo travels. O halos nga lahat yun, solo travels. Except when I go on a tour or business trip, something like that. So medyo madali naman sa akin mag-navigate. Kaya lang, meron akong buhat-buhat around 20 kilos since conference nga pinunta ko sa Hong Kong. So ang dami kong dalang gamit na mga corporate, etc. Oops. Speaking of magaling mag-compete, mali yung bus lane. Tinatagalog ko si ate, akala ko Pinay. Sobrang dami kasing Pinay dito sa Macau. Pero akala ko taga Pinay, hindi pala. So, hiyang-hiya din ako. Oh, bakit sara? Grabe din tong terminal ng Macau. Parang talagang airport din siya kahit bus terminal lang siya. Sobrang laki niya. And lugi na naman tayo kasi wala na naman tayong panukli. So, $6 lang dapat yung bayad dito. Ang binayad ko, $10. Tapos, hindi sila nagbibigay ng change. So, thank you na lang yun. Lugi na naman tayo ng 4. Kanina, ang lugi lang natin, 2 centavos. Ngayon naman, $4 yung lugi natin. So, mga 30 pesos. Pero, okay lang yun. Kesa naman mahasal tayo. So, hopefully tama yung stop na bababaan ko. And then, 2 minutes walk na lang, nandun na ako sa hotel ko. Yeah, it's been a long journey. Kagabi pa ako umalis ng bahay around 8 p.m. Maga kasi ako sa airport. Pero yung Greater Bay Airline, tagal niya mag-open ng check-in. Less than 3 hours before flight siya nag-open. Usually maaga ako para makapag-launch pa. So, sabihin ko sa inyo kung nakarating na ako sa hotel. 7 stops to going to my hotel. Alam nyo, may na-realize ako. Meron kasi akong 5 Hong Kong dollar. Akala ko kulang ng piso. Dapat binigay ko na kasi mas mataas yung conversion ng Hong Kong dollar. So yung parang 5 Hong Kong dollar dito, 6 Macau dollar na. So dapat hindi yung 10 Hong Kong dollars ko yung binigay ko kanina. Dapat yung 5 Hong Kong dollars ko lang kasi 6 Macau dollar yun. Akala ko kulang ng piso. So yung 10 yung binigay ko. Hindi ko na siya mababa.
I took Angel, I took this is my hotel. Sofitel Macau. I'm not sure if this is Sofitel Macau. Walang sign eh. Pero, sabi rin ni Google Maps 8 minutes. Pero, feeling ko lang, kasi Casino Hotel yun. So, let's go. Macau looks like Europe kasi colony sila ng Portugal people.
So we finally made it and I'll be able to check in my room at around 9 a.m. So around 30 minutes. So that's the early check-in benefit as a Platinum member. Currently, I'm here sa Executive Lounge. Again, benefit of a Platinum member is to have access sa lounge. And so early check-in so I can sleep na and I can catch the afternoon tea later. I'll tour you around the hotel, a review of Sofitel Macau in a separate vlog. But for now, if you did enjoy this travel, please comment down below so I can make more commute content like this now. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and connect with me on my social media accounts. I'll see you next time.